In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge GitHub branches to master. Start by opening your GitHub repository for the project you want to work on. If you're not already on the repository page, head to your GitHub home dashboard, then use the top repositories section to quickly jump into the correct project. If needed, click into the search field at the top to find it faster. Once you're on the project's main page, look for the branches area. You'll typically see a link that shows how many branches exist. Open that to go to the branches view. Here, create a new branch. Click the New Branch button, then type the name you want to use. I'll use Sample as the example. Make sure the branch is created from your main development line. Many repositories use main as the default branch, while some still use master. Confirm that main is selected as the base before proceeding. When everything looks right, click Create New Branch. After the branch is created, open it by selecting the new sample branch from the list. With that branch in focus, it's time to prepare the merge via a pull request. Look for the option to start a pull request. It's often highlighted on the branches page. Click New Pull Request to open the comparison screen. You'll land on the Comparing Changes page. This is where you choose the direction of the merge. Set the base branch to main, since that's where you want your changes to end up. Double-check that base is indeed main. Then set the compare branch to sample, which is the branch containing your changes. This order matters. Base is your destination. Compare is your source. Take a moment to review the diff shown here. This is a great time to scan for any unexpected changes. Ensure commit messages make sense, and verify that the comparison reflects exactly what you intend to merge. If your repository uses protections or requires reviews, this is also where those checks begin once you proceed. By reaching this point, you've set up the exact comparison needed to merge your feature branch into main, aligning with the master workflow many teams follow. You navigated to your repository, created a branch off main, opened the new branch, started a pull request, and configured base and compare so that main receives the changes from sample. From here, you're ready to continue your team's standard process to complete the merge.